A stepmom used to throw strong acid on the boy's face every single day. Then she would lock him in a small cage so people could look at him and pay money for tickets. Like this, 10 years passed. The boy got used to his ugly and hurt face. One day, he helped a little girl pick up her apples that had fallen on the ground. But when she saw his face, she got so scared that she almost fainted. This broke the boy's heart. He decided he could not live like this anymore. He went alone to a plastic surgery hospital. When he took off his mask, even the doctors, who had seen many strange cases, were shocked. The boy said, "My stepmom threw acid on me. She hurt me a lot." The doctor felt very sad for him. He promised that surgery could make the boy's face look new again. But the wounds were very difficult, so they needed 3 surgeries. The boy could not wait. He wanted to start fast. The first surgery was done the next day. Something amazing happened. His skin healed super fast. In less than 1 day, his wounds were already getting better. The boy ran to the doctor. "Look, I healed. Please do the second surgery today." The doctor had never seen such a strange thing before. He was surprised, but he told the boy to wait a few days. But the boy refused. He said, "Please, I want a normal life. Do it now." The doctor finally agreed. The second surgery went well. But only a few hours later, the boy again came running. "I'm healed again. Please do the third and final surgery today." Now even the doctor got scared. This was like a miracle. The doctor asked, "How is your body healing so fast?" The boy said, "If you do the last surgery right now, I will tell you the whole truth." Curious to know the truth, the doctor agreed to do the final surgery. But when the boy entered the operation room, something suddenly went very wrong. The doctor rushed inside to see what happened, and what he saw shocked everyone standing there.